What's up everybody, it's B-Baby101. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this quick glitter look with only a few colors. I am going to be featuring a few products, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm prepping and priming my lid with some concealer from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to set that with some translucent powder from Too Faced. I'm going to take my crayon case box of crayon palette and go with the light pink, and I'm going to put that in my crease. For more videos in the future, make sure you subscribe and click that notification button to know when I upload videos. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go ahead and blend that out. I could have blended a lot better than that, but you want to blend until your hands are basically tired. I'm going to go in and with a purple, I'm going to blend it out. Now what you don't see is I go back in and blend it. You can add purple and blend it, add purple and blend it to your liking, depending how deep you want it to be. I'm going ahead and cutting my crease and going back with that pink color and purple, and I'm going to place purple glitter and light purple glitter on top of each other and stack it. And I'm just going to take that no further than the middle of my lid. After that's completed, I'm lining my lid with, this is a liner from Benefits Cosmetics. It's precisely my liner and I love it so much. It does not dry out and it gets the line and the job done. After that, what I do is I take a little powder. It looks like a lot, but I took a little powder and I wipe that underneath my eyes to get away all the glitter before I put on foundation. I'm going to prime, oh my god, my nails. I'm going to prime my face with Pore Professional's Benefits, and I'm going to place my foundation on first. This foundation is from L.A Girl. Actually like it a lot better than I thought I would. And if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on my foundation routine, I can go into detail about that later. I usually use a stippling brush because it gives me an airbrush effect and I really like it. So what I usually do is I pat it on and then I rub in just a little bit, but around my forehead I pat in the product so that it goes into my skin flawlessly. I'm going to be highlighting with the same concealer that I used before, which is by Makeup Revolution. I will have that link below. Next, I'm going to be going in with my BH Cosmetic palette and taking the darkest pink, and I'm going to be placing that on my cheeks. Actually, I think it's perfect for darker skin, and it looks very good. Anytime that I place blush on, I always go back over it with the same foundation brush, stippling brush that I used before to pack that into the skin. So here's my favorite part. I went ahead and highlighted with the Crayons case, and Glola is my favorite highlighter. It is so pigmented. You don't need a lot of it. I was fortunate enough to be sent this by Maybelline, and this is their complete Superstay collection with the lip crayons. I was so excited to get that in the mail, you guys, and this stuff is hard to take off. It stays on for sure. I will be doing a dedicated review for that. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It isn't a lot of product to use, so it's super easy. Perfect for the end of summer. So let me guys know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later.